What's up, guys? This is Jake coming at you with a review of this TV stand right here. I have it up here in my office, and I absolutely love this thing. So we'll start at the bottom, work the way up. You'll see down here, you actually have your little clips so you can lock those in. All you gotta do is kick that down with your foot, and it locks it in place. So the TV obviously doesn't roll, or you do it up like it is now, and you're able to roll it. Next, you have this stand, and you can see like it's attached pretty well. I would have no problem. I mean, computer, iPad. I don't know what the weight limit is. You can check that on the listing, but it looks like it holds a good bit. And I mean, I wouldn't be concerned at all. It's really sturdy. Next, you can see coming up back here, pretty straightforward. It was actually really easy to mount this on. And then you have that piece right there that you could run a cord through. My cord's just not long enough for it. But I've used this for a while. I mean, one of the other big things is how long does it actually take to put something like this together? And one of my favorite parts is it was very easy to put together. I'm not really good at that stuff. Followed directions, very straightforward. Had this thing together in 20 minutes maybe. So if I can do it, literally anyone can. Really good TV stand though. I have really enjoyed it so far. And if you're looking for one, highly recommend this brand.